Oh yeah. What's up, you guys? It's your boy Isaiah, also known as Bastard, and I'm here with a wonderful arrangement video. Arrangements is one of those things. There's a trillion ways to do it, but if you don't have your own, at least 3 ways, it kind of gets very confusing. I have this little loop that I made, and my 3 go-to methods of arrangement is I have my slapper arrangement, I have my where the beat at though arrangement, then I have my typical arrangement. I'll get more into all those in the video. So without further ado, first go start off with the slapper. Now with this song in particular, I'm going to end up using the typical arrangement because it's not slow in tempo, but the type of emotion and like vibe I'm going with this track, I don't want it to come in like a slapper. Like slappers, they start immediately. Let me show you real quick. What I like to do is clone this, then split this by channel. So now if I want to make edits, I have the main project here, then I have all my pretty much stems I can arrange the song with. So I'll just start here, click the first one, hold shift, everything will come out if it works correctly. Make them all flush. Yeah, this is 1. Then I just copy it over 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. Then for a slapper arrangement, as soon as I hit play, I want everything playing. Then I'll take out, this is the counter melody, because since I already kind of know what I want to do, I do 1 bar at a time. That'd probably be easier by explaining reasons. The slapper, I get everything playing, I let it die down. Now when I usually let it die down, I just let the basic production keep playing. As soon as I hit play, I got everything going. Everyone need to get on my producer tag. If y'all want a video on how I made my producer tag, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments. All right, make sure everything's flush. Then after this part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, have everything playing hard. Boom, 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 boom. I wouldn't have this playing. This is no more. That's only on the hook. Then have all the drums come back in. Then have like the counter melody play. Then you go back to the hook. So this is the slapper arrangement. Pretty easy, nothing too crazy, but get rid of this. Time to go to arrangement number 2. Where the beat at though? Now this arrangement is exactly what it sounds like. Where the beat at though? Essentially, it's a super long build up, and I usually drop the beat around 40-second mark. I mainly do this for like interludes or like vocals. I want the vocalist to be like star of it. So I'll do it like this. Have my main chord progression going. First, tap around to see where your times are. For this type of arrangement, I usually just have the melodic elements play. I'll just have like one come in after another, just build on each other, just building the whole like atmosphere of the beat. You can do it however you want. You can also do it like a reverse, so you can have like your drums play, then lead into your melodic elements, or your how I usually do it, have your melodic elements played leading to your like your drum elements. The arrangement behind this, so this would be the intro. Then you have your quote unquote pre-chorus. Then this is like the hook. Then instead of like usually the pause, it's go right into like the verse like hard. So I take like this out. And usually the verse is a little shorter. Then take this out and just let this play. Then I like to do just have 1 kick here, just so you know it's something. It don't just sound like it will play forever. Then have a nice little drop, and it should sound fire. And you already know, usual little drop right here. And to make this even harder, you can take out the clap on every 4 bars, and take out some percussion. And depending how the sound, I might take out the hi-hat. See how it sounds. But this is essentially where the beat at though arrangement. That's hard. The last but not least is the typical arrangement, or what I like to call it, the placement ready arrangement. It's pretty much in the name, just the typical arrangement if you're trying to chase placements, because even though some songs may sound like it, every song has some type of structure to it, and that was draws an artist to it. I bet you 1,000,000% if I can do this correctly. If I was to, I'm gonna just speed arrange this real quick. I'm gonna do I'm gonna play this, and it's gonna sound absolute ass. The artist will not want to be on this. Dude, no. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. At first, around here, I was like, all right, that's kind of slots. I meant to like fuck it up more, but oh well. The artist will not want to be on this. There's no structure to it. It's too random. Now, I'm not saying there couldn't be an artist on it, but the grand majority of artists like placement ready. But getting to the placement ready, typical placement. Remember, copied over 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is probably the easiest one of them all because it's literally copy and paste. Just start with the interesting part of the beat, melodic wise. So I'm going to start with, take this out because this is the intro. Take all this out. This is the chorus. Then right here, take this out. Take all this out. Then take this out, and cut this in half. You don't want to do too much with the arrangement on a typical one because you want to have obvious structure and flow. If you can paint a nice picture, you don't even have to talk to the artist. That's how nice your arrangements can be. I'm gonna play this. I'm pretty sure, yes. This is the placement ready typical arrangement. And yeah, I mean, there's a few things I've obviously changed. Like I deleted that because I didn't like the way it sounded. But at the end of the day, arrangement is truly up to you. These are just the 3 main ways I arrange all my beats that I've noticed. There's no right, no wrong way. The arrangement, the creating. You don't have to create every day. Just make sure you just put yourself in front of your DAW, whichever DAW you use. There's no right or wrong DAW either. Like everything, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you learn something, hit that like button. If you hate the video, hit that like button. Just hit that like button. Like and subscribe like always. What I'm gonna do real quick, I'm gonna arrange this beat to the way I really like it, and from there I'll play it one last time. So I'll be right back. All right. No, I am not an artist, but it just sounds good to me. And rule number 1, have the beat sound good to you, because at the end of the day, you are listening to it. And if you don't like it, how are you going to push a beat you don't even like? You can make beats that's outro style, but you should still like them. That's how I feel, for the most part. Not with anything technical, but just the overall sound and feel of it. You should like it. Should be vibey to you. But I'm gonna play this once again. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna cut this down as much as I can, and hopefully it wasn't all over the place. If there's any questions, leave them down in the comment. I will answer them as I see them, and I will see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna let this play. Let me know how y'all think of this beat. I love this beat. I'm out. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on one of the links up here. Check out more content from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay chillin'. Keep creating.